Assalamualaikum. My name is Tamim Iqbal. I am a barista. I am from Bangladesh. I can make hot and cold coffee. I know latte art. See my word. Thank you.